Hey there, planner friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and this is Beloved Plans. And today I'm going to be doing my weekly spread for the week of Monday, March 1st. I can't believe it's the first week of March already. And my theme this week is going to be color story for the Plannable March 2021 challenge. So I'm going to be using these beautiful blue and peach and pink stickers, this part of this color story book. This is an oldie but goodie. So I'm going to be using that for my theme this week. I did pull out a little bit of washi as well. And then I also did my pre-planning per usual so that I know what I have going on this week so I can kind of decorate based on that. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a future video. I usually publish at least 2 videos a week, and this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is start with some of the larger stickers. Now I did not pre-plan my stickers. I'm going to use my sticker guides just to put some on the side that I know I want to use. So I'm going to start with this longer list on the left hand side. I've been liking to have a place to write all my to-dos kind of for the week lately over on that side. And then I'm going to start with some washi. Over here, we are going to my daughter's volleyball tournament on Friday through Sunday, and that is out of town. So I'm going to use that washi to mark kind of that we're out of town. I'm thinking of layering the washi one on top of the other, just for something different. Thought that'd be kind of cute to pull those colors in there. Not really digging the blue. It doesn't really go with the colors that I am using. So I'm going to just stick with this pink because it has some rose gold on it. Then I'll layer these other weekend and hello stickers with that. So now I'm going to cut this sticker in half. It's just a patterned one. I like to use these patterned ones behind different boxes or other stickers just to make a little cluster of sorts on my spread. I love all the rose gold in this set of stickers here. So if you're not familiar with how the Color Story sticker books work, is they have just kind of different themes or whatever you want to call them in each sticker book. And so basically it's giving you everything you need to do your spread. So it's got boxes in there, it's got weekend, it's got stickers of all different shapes and sizes, and they all coordinate together and they're grouped together throughout the sticker book. So I really love using those when I'm doing my planner because it kind of just gives me everything I need in one place and I don't have to flip through a million different sticker books. So here I'm just looking for some boxes. I'm really trying to match the different colors that are in these. They're more of a smoky blue. So they're not the typical colors that are in the different colorful boxes and those sorts of sticker books typically. So I think this peach or light pink color will match from this Colorful Shapes book. But I have not been able to find the right shade of blue to match or even the light gray. So now I use this triangle down there. So I liked this little triangle and I can kind of just put them side by side there, something different. I'm going to put the circle over here. Just trying to find some varying shapes to use. This heart is cute, so I'm going to put that down and then I'm just going to lay that hello back down on top of the end of the heart there. Just seeing if there's anything else that I want to use anywhere. Not going to use that circle necessarily. Yeah, I think that semicircle will work pretty well. I'm just gonna lay this "You've got this," or no, "Trust Your Gut" sticker down. And then these little skinny colorful boxes match pretty well. I'm actually starting to run low on my, I call it my OG colorful boxes sticker book. So I'm gonna need to order another one of those. It's been a couple years since I got it, so I'm not surprised that I'm almost out of a lot of the different colors that I use a lot. I do have quite a few things I need to write this week, so that's why I'm using a lot of the different shapes and boxes on here. So I like starting out with the functional stickers sometimes too, and then I can kind of put the decorative ones around those. I like that shine bright, but I'm just not sure there's a good spot for it. Yeah, this Outdream Yourself is pretty. It kind of balances out the pink and the peach on both sides of the spread. Just seeing if there's any others here that I want to put on. This little rose gold circle is really cute. I think that'll be pretty down there at the bottom. And then I'm going to start my little to-do list strips here. I'm going to do that 1 through 4 one. And then add another little heart. As you can see, it is really nice how they all just coordinate together. Like you can kind of focus more on the shapes and different things versus does this match perfectly or anything like that. All right, so I thought it would be good to do an after the pen in this video for you guys. So I think I'm going to use a pink pen just because I really am loving the soft colors I have here. And so I'm going to go ahead and write in my plans for the week. I personally find it helpful sometimes when I see people writing in their planner how it looks after that. So I'm going to do that for you. So I'm writing in my daughter's tournament. And we're taking a macarons making class on Thursday. So I wrote that in on Thursday. And this is where I'm referencing my pre-planning sheet over here on the left where I wrote down our things that are on our calendar. I pull these from our Google calendars that we have for our family. And then I write them, the ones in my planner that kind of affect me or different things that I need to be involved in. I'm going to move this to-do list up to Saturday because I don't have one over there. And that is about it for this weekly spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button. And I'm going to go ahead and link to my last week's Plan With Me video right now so you can check that out. I'll see you over there.